One morning, Rithi and Jaswant ran outside to play, but their garden looked really sad. The plants were dry, leaves were falling, and weeds were everywhere. "Oh no, we forgot to take care of it," they said. Suddenly, a talking crow landed nearby. "Good habits are like gardens," the crow said. "You have to care for them every day." It gave them 5 shiny magic seeds, but only if they promised to follow 5 good habits: staying clean, being kind, eating healthy, learning new things, and sharing. Every day, Reethi and Jaswant tried their best, and guess what? In just one week, their garden grew magical plants with glowing leaves and golden fruits. Tata smiled proudly, and the crow flew high, happy. Rithi and Jaswant hugged each other and laughed. They had learned something amazing. Good habits make life bloom like magic.